All right, what do we got here? Part 3. Are we still in the shower?
Finishing the backside. Gotta put some more
This is the
tape.
truth of home ownership right here.
Fit this in there.
So what's a good title for the video then? The truth? What realtors won't tell you? The secrets? Hello?
Pliers.
Pliers.
On top of there.
Oh, got a new phone. Alright, let's see. So is this gonna help conserve water?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it? To install the hook? There it is. You have the other part?
It's right there.
You need tools?
Yeah, this sucker.
So is that a misleading box?
Those bullshitters, they don't care. Their thing is just like the realtors. They're in it for the bucks. You buy it, the part breaks down, oh, go on Amazon and get it. They don't have anything at the store. So now you gotta wait 3 or 4 days.
Even if you have Amazon Prime?
It doesn't matter. I'm working on the deal right now. I don't want to wait 2 days for Jeff Bezos to quit screwing around with his girlfriend and send me something. I need the part now.
So this series is right now is going to be called The Truth of Home Ownership.
Yeah,
The secrets, what the realtors won't tell you.
exactly.
The good, the bad, the ugly.
And we just got started, bro. This is just a bathroom. We got handicap railings to install.
So you got content.
Yeah.
You're going to be famous. Famous hands.
Yeah.
All right.
By the time we finish, your audience will be able to build a house. Might take them a while, but
This thing looks like a giant telephone.
yeah.
Is it supposed to be hanging up like
It's
that?
like you can get me later when we get off of this. I'll be making some phone calls.